Hi everyone, today I brought to you this 3-in-1 immersion blender. It's from this brand, BEEWEEL. It's really nice, it's powerful, it has 800 watt motor, 15 variable speeds, 4 prolonged titanium blades, also stainless steel body. It's really nice. I'm going to explore it with you. This is the blender stick. You can use it like to blend various stuff, your shake, also your soup, to make it smooth and nice. This is the chopping bowl, and these are the beaters. Okay, so the beaters, it comes with this head, and you just install them here. Click and click. This is the main motor, and you need to connect it to the electricity. It has like the various powers in here, and it has the on and the turbo from here. So let's put the beaters. All you need to do is just click it here and it will start blending with it. Change the speed here, so let's do that. That's faster. And we want to connect this chopping bowl, so all we need to do is put it here and then connect it, then start chopping. I'm going to put one piece of onion and chop it. Awesome. Let's put some cilantro with it, like that, and we can start chopping. Wonderful, right? Also, if we wanna like use this blending head, we just disconnect it and reconnect it, and then just use it here. This one I use it like to do my shake, so you need to watch out for your fingers. You just put it and you shake, shake, shake. I'm going to blend some flour with water to show you the effect. Oh. To make cakes, to beat some eggs, and so many things. Great. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching.